Hey YouTube, I hope you had 7 here, and today I am bringing you a tweak review called Manual Correct Pro. And so this tweak actually does cost money, well, but you can get it free from your favorite repo, or you can purchase it from the developer. And so what basically this tweak does is it lets you take control of your autocorrection, because the iOS manual autocorrect is pretty crappy and it irritates you sometimes, like when you're typing a word and you type it wrong or something like that, and it manually corrects it for you, and so I don't like it at all. So let me show you quickly what this trick does. So for example, I'm gonna type in wrong park. I'm just typing park, and as you can see, it gave me the suggestion of pork. And so normally without this trick, if you press this space, it would put it in for you. But now, you can just press space and you still have the same word. And if you actually want to put it in, you just type on it and it'll put it in. And so you have some more options, like for example, if later I want to correct it, I just tap on it and it gives me some more words, pork, erg, or perg, which I don't know what it means, but yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much what this trick does. And I believe there is a free version which is called just manual correct. But yeah, so go check it out, guys, and please comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.